Myself Mohammad Kaus Pasha. I am working in Godavari Polymers Private Limited from past 9 years. I have joined Godavari Polymers in 2012. The outmost thing what I have seen from past 9 years is the commitment of the top management working towards water conservation project to support the farmers. We manufacture product which are in turn used by farmers, which are regularly used by farmers for betterment of their product. We are around 500 employees directly employed by Godavari Polymers. Management is providing employment for these 500 people directly, and indirectly we have so many people who are working towards us, our subcontractor, our suppliers and other people. The basic idea and view where we all are working towards is the quality of the product. Our major intention is zero defect. We manufacture product which meets the requirements of farmer. We are into the micro irrigation system, manufacturing products for water conservation project. Our top management is clearly committed towards quality of the product. We have started this unit in 1991 and we have expanded our second unit in 2015. In our new unit, we have people who are graduated from mechanical or electrical background, and I have people from plastic engineering technology who are operating the machines. We have complete automation in our new unit where we deploy people only, workmen only for movement of the raw material and finished product. We are into three business segment. Basically, we have HDP pipes, which are used by household people for the submersible application as well as for farmers. Same way, we provide HDP pipes for government projects, for drinking water projects. Then we have micro irrigation system consisting of drip and PVC pipe, where we supply drip and PVC for the farmers with complete installation training. And we have sprinkler irrigation system where we supplied sprinkler irrigation product. This drip and sprinkler are used for water conservation project. We have a raw metal stores where we are unloading the metal. After receipt of material, the input quality is checked by the quality team. They cross-verify the test certificate which is given by the supplier, and once the approval is given by the quality team, the metal is unloaded in the debagging bin. From there, it is pressure conveyed to the silos. So the metal is being conveyed from the unloading bin to the silos through pressure conveying. Now from the silos, the metal is moved to the centralized gravimetric system blending unit through vacuum conveying. We have a centralized blending unit called as Octopus, which is blending the material depending upon the requirement. This blended material is given to the different bins for the different machines. From these bins, the metal is moved to the dryer where the metal is preheated for 1 hour. After preheating of the metal, it has been moved to the screw and barrel where metal is getting melted, and we are starting the process of producing the pipe. From the die, the molten metal is moved from the vacuum tank where we are ensuring that the proper outer diameter is formed, and we have lines which are having around cooling length of 50 meters to ensure that the pipe finished product what we are producing is reaching the room temperature before coiling or cutting. We have printing, hot embossing printing method as well as inkjet printing method where we are printing our product specification, product brand and all other requirements as per BIS. Then the finished product is stored in form of coil as well as in form of lenses depending upon the farmer requirement.